MNGS Group, or Mорнефтегазстрой, is a leading Russian player in its field and offers comprehensive construction management for buildings and facilities of varying degrees of complexity in several industries, including oil and gas, shipbuilding, and industrial and civil construction. The group is capable of handling every stage of a project, from development to customer handover. MNGS Group consists of 4 Russian companies, which together provide a powerful synergy that has enabled the implementation of over 300 of the most complex projects in the Russian Federation and the CIS, including participation in the construction of every oil and gas platform in Russia for the last 10 years. Our engineers, designers and other employees have made significant contributions to the implementation of a number of internationally renowned projects, including the Pirazlomnaya offshore ice-resistant platform in the Pechora Sea, LSP-1 and LSP-2 ice-resistant platforms at the Korchagin field and Filanovsky field in the Caspian Sea, the Arkticheskaya self-elevating floating drilling rig, the MOS CS-50 semi-submersible drilling platform, the Varangier oil export terminal, the INS Vikramditya aircraft carrier for the Indian Navy, the St. Petersburg flood protection structures, and others. Mорнефтегазстрой is uniquely positioned to manage projects of any complexity in any geographical region of Russia and the CIS, owing to its technical centers located in St. Petersburg, Moscow, Arkhangelsk, Murmansk, Severodvinsk, Astrakhan, and the Russian Far East, which can significantly reduce project completion times and ensure quality. As part of the implementation of joint projects and provision of manufacturing sites, docks and boathouses, Mорнефтегазстрой collaborates with leading Russian shipbuilding companies such as Sevmash, Zvezdochka, Northern Shipyard, Admiralty Shipyards, Baltysky Zavod, Vyborg Shipyard, Amur Shipbuilding Plant, the Gorky Zelenodolsk Plant, Yaroslavsky Shipbuilding Plant, Yantar Shipyard, and Red Barricades Shipyard. Mорнефтегазстрой has its own engineering and technical center that develops detailed design documents for the following project areas: hull structures, architectural solutions, water and sewage systems, smoke extraction systems, ventilation and air conditioning, power supply systems, heating systems, interior finishing, life-saving equipment, fire safety measures, systems, apparatuses, anti-corrosion, fire, thermal and mechanical protection. To create a complete set of design documents, the company actively collaborates with leading design bureaus and research institutes in Russia, such as Rubin Design Bureau, Coral Design Bureau, Giprospetsgaz, Giprogaz-Center, Южный Giprogaz Institute, Mорнефтегаз Projekt, Lukoil Permnefteorgsynthez, the Krylov Institute, Vnipigaz-Dobыча, the Prometei Central Research Institute of Structural Materials, Nevskoye Design Bureau, Almaz Construction Bureau, the National Fire Safety Research Institute, Severnoye Design Bureau, the Research Institute for Energy Facilities, and many others. We also employ the engineering capabilities of our international partners in Norway, the UK, Denmark, Germany, the US, and Switzerland. The company's engineering activities encompass not only the development of design documentation, but also active involvement in researching and developing new technologies, including on projects contracted by the Russian government. Currently, the company is participating in a research and development program for the anti-corrosion, thermal and mechanical protection of an underwater pipeline to be operated at depths of over 2 kilometers. Funding for this program is provided by the Norwegian government and Statoil. Another major project involving research and development work is our involvement in a program to develop technical solutions for the protection of concrete hydraulic structures in zones of fluctuating water levels. The program entails developing products to address the aforementioned challenges and applying the solutions to all hydraulic structures in the Russian Federation. By order of the Ministry of Industry and Trade and the Ministry of Defense, Mорнефтегазстрой has been involved in research and development in a number of areas, including the development of design and technical solutions for specialized manufacturing of unit modules for ship interiors, anti-ice coating for multi-purpose offshore platforms, and gas-tight and watertight fire doors. Company experts have developed and implemented a unique system of modular rigging for vessel and ship cabins and for oil and gas platform facilities. It is called the Strongbox system and includes insulation, wall panels, ceilings, floors, furniture, lighting, sanitary cabins and galley and laundry equipment. For the implementation of the engineering and technical center's innovations, Morneftegazstroj has in-house production units engaged in the complete assembly of systems and equipment for oil and gas platforms, civilian vessels, and onshore facilities. More than 3,000 highly qualified specialists may be involved at any one time in the implementation of projects of any complexity. Morneftegazstroj takes the qualifications of its workers very seriously, conducting trainings to improve the skills and competencies of its erectors, operators and commissioning engineers by bringing in experts from the world's leading manufacturing companies. Morneftegazstroj has a dedicated division for implementing logistical operations and conducting international trade for fitting facilities of any complexity. The company has all the necessary permits for import-export operations. Morneftegazstroj is the Russian and CIS representative for companies such as Trelleborg Offshore, Fipro AG, Crossfield Products Corp, Scheller GmbH, High Air Korea Co. Limited, API SPA, K-Flex, Nutex Inc., Rogaland AS, Rockwool AS, RFD Beaufort Limited, Marion Flock, and Appleton Marine Inc. Morneftegazstroj manufactures ship furniture and various coatings at its facilities in the Russian Federation. The company's competencies are documented by all the proper certificates and licenses. We comply with worldwide standards of quality, regulations, GOST standard, construction norms and rules. The reputation of Morneftegazstroj has been founded upon the guaranteed fulfillment of all its obligations. Monitoring at each phase of a project enables on-time delivery. Considering its engineering and technical center and production facilities, its highly qualified production personnel, its demonstrated ability to deploy and diversify orders at any of its Russian production sites, its possession of all the requisite licenses and permits, and its experience working with leading global manufacturers, Morneftegazstroj is well placed and fully able to provide turnkey management of offshore and onshore construction of any complexity.